Hello. In this video, we want to graph y equals sine of x plus 4. Now, to do so, we want to go ahead and graph, or not graph, but we want to look at the parent function. So y equals sine of x. So the 5 key points are 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Now if you plug that in, of course, we get 0, 1, 0, -1, and 0. Good. And what we want to find is sine of x plus 4. Now notice that this plus 4 is not in an argument. In other words, it's not in parentheses with the x, which means that that's just a vertical shift. And because it's vertical, that means that the x values stay the same from the previous table. So 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Now what happens here? Well, because it's on the outside, we do what it says, which means we're going to add 4 to all these y values. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, -1 plus 4 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4. And there you go. That is the table that we want here. Now notice something, that first of all, a here is 1, which of course means that the amplitude would be the absolute value of 1, which is 1. B here is 1, it's the number in front of x, which is 1, so the period is 2 pi over b, which is 2 pi over 1, which is 2 pi. So the period here is 2 pi. So the frequency would be 1 cycle for every 2 pi radians. C here is 0, which means that the phase shift is 0. D here, though, is 4. So it means that the average value for this sine function is 4. Now, notice that that is something I can take advantage of here. So if I make each of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I want this to be an average of 4, I can actually kind of do a horizontal dotted line here. That's the line about which this function is going to oscillate. Also, we're not moving anywhere, so I'm going to use these as my x's. So 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. And then just plot these. 0, 4, 3 pi over 2, 5, pi 4, 3 pi over 2, 3, and 2 pi, 0. And then just connect these with the curve. And there you go. Now, notice something. The highest that we have here is 5. The lowest that we have here is 3. Notice, take the highest minus the lowest divided by 2. Well, 5 minus 3 is 2 over 2, and then take the absolute value of that, gives us 1. That is the amplitude. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.